If you're looking to track every touchpoint with your clients, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to effectively track every interaction and ensure you never lose sight of client communication. First things first, tracking client touchpoints isn't just about logging emails or phone calls. It's about keeping a complete history of every interaction your team has with a client. Every email, every phone call, every meeting. These are all critical touchpoints that need to be tracked. Without a system, you risk missed follow-ups, lost opportunities, and poor client relationships. Here's how to do it. You'll need a tool that centralizes everything in one place. After trying several of the most popular software solutions out there, I found that a certain software excels in this area. It's simple to use and keeps all your data in one easily accessible spot. Start by integrating your email, calendar, and CRM. This allows you to automatically track every meeting, every call, and every email that you send or receive. Make sure the software syncs across all platforms you use, so no touchpoint is missed, no matter where you're working from. Next, set up automatic logging for communications. Whenever a client calls, emails, or even texts, the software should capture this data. This saves your team from manually entering information and ensures everything is properly tracked. Now let's talk about notes and follow-ups. Whenever you interact with a client, make sure to log key notes, what was discussed, what decisions were made, what follow-up is required. This will help maintain a continuity of communication with the client and allow any team member to step in and pick up right where the last interaction left off. Also, use tags or labels for your touchpoints. These help you categorize interactions based on the type of communication or urgency, making it easier to track progress. Whether it's a contract negotiation or a customer service inquiry, organizing touchpoints by tags will save time when you need to refer back to them later. An important tip here is to schedule follow-ups within the software. This way, you'll never forget to reach out after a meeting or email. Setting automatic reminders will keep you on track with your clients and show them that you're attentive to their needs. Now, if you're still unsure about which software to use for tracking touchpoints, I recommend checking out the software we're using today. It's been the most effective for me and is streamlined to do all the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? I've secured an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You can find the link in the description below. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is that tracking every touchpoint with your clients is about ensuring consistency and building trust. Whether it's through email, phone, or meetings, having a system in place will help you maintain strong professional relationships. The software we used in this tutorial will make it easy to centralize and track every interaction without missing a beat. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial in the description if you want to follow along and try this for yourself. Thanks for watching.